Hello there. I hope you can hear me well. My name is Jonah, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about a workshop I have coming up on November 10th at 1 p.m. location Raw Yoga Long Beach. So, the workshop is called Changing the Narrative. It was birthed from a friend and I, a group of people really, when we were thinking about racism. And there's definitely a way that not only self talk, but the narrative of a society can ruin one. It can keep people in self doubt. It can keep people in a state of dysmorphia, physically, spiritually, emotionally. We can feel lost when the only voice we hear is coming from outside of us. I'm a recovering alcoholic, and it's been so integral to my healing journey to remember that my self talk is my responsibility. I can't blame anyone else for the voice in my head that's telling me how to cope, how to live happily and well. Again, changing the narrative was birthed because we want to take our power back. It doesn't matter what race you are, what sexual orientation, what gender. I think we all can relate with feeling powerless over our life's direction, over the script of our life. So I seek to support you. I seek to help you realize how powerful you are in directing and producing the script of your life. It's not about forgetting our past, it's about honoring and kind of remembering our past to recognize where we are in the present and know where we want to go in the future. So, yeah, during the workshop, journals will be provided, journals and pens will be provided. Thank you to a student at Raw Yoga Long Beach named John. He donated them for us to use to be creative, to carry the journal with you after the workshop and beyond. I'll be asking you 3 prompts, one having to do with the past, one having to do with the present, and one having to do with the future. And we'll be seeking to affirm our present and especially our future. Um, Affirming our past as well, affirming it as a part of our journey. It's not something to be ashamed of, it's something that we can embrace for our growth. So, yeah, I'm all about empowerment and transcendentalism. It's my goal to help us rise above all the things that help keep us down. So, if you've been feeling stuck, if you've been feeling lost, this is a workshop for you because we're going to focus on where that's even coming from. Why do we feel lost? Why do we feel stuck? And then from asking that why, we'll know how or what to do to get out of it and move forward. So I hope to see you all there. It would be an honor to help guide you, to help sit next to you while you just journal and create. We'll do a little yoga, a little journaling, and yeah. Again, I hope to see you all there. Blessed be, and have a beautiful rest of your week. Bye.